Okay, today we're just gonna create our first inventory list. So let's go to plus new at the top right. We'll see count sheet as our option. And you'll see that there's my location. I'm gonna start with my meat freezer. If I have multiple locations using inventory, I'll be able to select whichever one I'd like. All right, just like that, I have a new sheet created, meat freezer, and now I can start adding my inventory items. So first thing I'm gonna add is my pork belly. Searching my database, there it is. I have pork belly. I also have some other options here that I can pick from, but I'm gonna pick just pork belly. And you'll see that the ingredient is now added, as well as the count unit. That count unit, by the way, is coming off of the ingredient page. So if I were to click on pork belly, brings me to the ingredient page, and there I can see there's my case size and there's my cost. So it's pulling directly from here. If I do want to change that, let's say I want to count it by the pound, I can just select it, type in LB, and there we go. Now I'm counting it by the pound. We recommend being very cautious about changing these. There's more information in the next video about best practices for changing your count unit. But let's keep going. Pork shoulder, that's my next one. There it is at the top. I'll pick the green apple icon if I have it, because most likely that has cost. If I don't see one that has a green apple, I can pick from the other options, the meez ingredients, or even my prepped recipes. And there we go, by the pound. And let's just pick a different one at random, like blade steak. All right, I don't see one in my system that has a green apple. And maybe I don't want to pick one of these. Let's just say I want to create a new ingredient. I can actually create it new down here. If I were to do that or pick one of the meez ones, you'll notice there's an error message. It's not yet set with the cost. So all I got to do is click on the blade steak, brings me over to the ingredient page, and now I can just add the cost here. So I'm paying about $3.50 a pound for that. Done. And now if I go back over here, I'll just switch this over to pound because that's how I'm going to count it. And you see the error message goes away. And that's how you create your first inventory list.